Hello everybody and welcome back to today's video. Now in today's video it's going to be an unscripted video, so I apologise if I stutter because I tend to cut that out a lot. I have got through the door today a coin that I've been saving up for the past 6 or 7 months now. And this is going to be my now most expensive video. This is going to be my now most expensive coin in my collection. Now, this was purchased and reserved by GM Coins, Glenn Miller, that I've purchased off a few times. And he was nice enough to give me a payment plan and reserve it for me until I could pay the whole thing off. Now, Glenn is known for his packaging. He does some fantastic packaging. So I thought I'd unbox it for you all today and show you exactly how he does it. So let's get into the package. Here we go. Okay. So lovely packaging as always. Sellotaped with inside. Okay. I think this might be the invoice, so just let me check. You open up the cardboard. Now I have hinted at this coin on my channel for the past 6 months. I wonder if any of you guys have clocked onto what I might have purchased. As you can see, really good packaging. I can barely get inside. Let me see if this is my invoice. Yep, let me just so I don't give my address away. Okay. So, this is how it comes. Let me just turn up so you can see. There we go. Now, I did get this coin a little bit cheaper. So this coin did cost me about £710, including postage. And as you can see, we have a Charles I shilling. Now, what's special about this shilling? This is an Oxford Mint shilling with a Declaration of Wellington on the reverse. So let's have a look. Let's turn it around. There it is. Look at that. I've literally been looking at this in pictures for the last 6 months, so it's amazing to finally have it in hand. Now, when Charles I and Parliament started the Civil War, Charles I went all the way to Oxford to make it his capital. Now, instead of having the regular reverse, he put his Declaration of Wellington onto the reverse. So we have the Declaration of Wellington in 3 lines. We have the 3 plumes at the top, and then we have 1643, the very, very start of the Civil War, on the reverse. Fantastic. And this is the first time I'm seeing it. The first time you're seeing it is the first time I'm seeing it. We have the late portrait of the king. We have the plumes as the mint mark, letting us know that it's Oxford. We have the XII behind the king's bust. And this is why I bought it, the Declaration on the reverse. Fantastic. I think this is my new pride and joy of my collection, and you'll have to let me know, guys, down below if you have one of these in your collections, and if so, how long did it take you to save for it? And I don't know if you guys remember my New Year's video where I wanted to learn how to ID Edward I's pennies, but my other New Year's goal was to obtain a Declaration issue of Charles I. So I guess, guys, you could say I have completed my milestone for this year. I'm over the moon. So everybody, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing midweek special, and as always, keep collecting.